I'd like to
the severe social strife which we have been experiencing. Dear graduates, today marks a significant milestone in your journey to becoming a healthcare professional. You have worked very hard for almost 7-8 years after your matriculation. Immediately after matriculation, parents in the state of Manipur start looking after their children so that they compete in the medical and the engineering field, and also for getting admission in various prestigious metropolitan educational institutions. Getting through the NEET exam to get admission in any of the medical colleges.
Call that to you, whatever we have threatened as a faculty, you should forget it, and in future also we must try to have a very beautiful, very trustworthy relationship with the faculties and the non-teaching staffs of the institute. And here, as a director, I would like to mention few things you have to remember as a graduate. Nowadays, disparity and the compensations from the society or from the parents or from the patient party are increasing. Therefore, as our MS has mentioned already, that you have to maintain you have to understand the ethics. Ethics, it may have so many branches, but medical ethics, what I mean to say is that. And because of these issues, as Professor or Honorable BC has said, you should not run away from the problems. You have to stay in it. You must try to fight it. You must try to solve it. You should not run away. Because now you are a leader of the society.